Does CloudRaptor handle your backups automatically, or do you need to set everything up yourself? Yes, CloudRaptor provides backup functionality for your applications. CloudRaptor allows you to create backups of your application data, helping you protect your files and database from unexpected issues. You can create backups manually whenever needed, or set up automated backups to run on a schedule. To manage backups, go to your application dashboard and open the Backup section. From here, you can view backup history, download backups, or delete them if needed. Backups ensure you can quickly restore your application if something goes wrong, whether it's an update issue, data loss, or accidental changes. With CloudRaptor, backups are simple, flexible, and easy to manage, giving you peace of mind without extra complexity. And that's how CloudRaptor helps keep your application data safe and recoverable.